Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, All About Alex. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm so excited about today's video. It is a collaboration with three ladies from the YouTube community, and it's a fireplace challenge. So we were to upload our fireplace decorations for Christmas 2023, and I just want to thank Stephanie at Creatively Miss Me. She is the organizer of this challenge, and I'm so excited to be a part of it. The other two collaborators are Jill from Jill's Style and Jessica from Jessica My Rose. So those are the three people that are the collaborators for the challenge. And again, my name is Alex. I am a YouTuber. I am like what you call a lifestyle vlogger YouTuber, and I do all things decorating, cleaning, organizing. I love all of those things, and I'm so excited about Christmas 2023. I hope you enjoy this video and get lots of inspiration for your fireplace and mantle. And I also threw in my bookcases too, because it's all kind of connected. So please give it a like if you do like it. It really helps my channel to grow. And please consider subscribing. I'm on a push for 500 subscribers by the end of the year. That's my ultimate goal, and I can't do it without you. So with that being said, please enjoy the video and Merry Christmas. Now, this beautiful garland is the star of the show. It's a new purchase this year. I got it from Amazon. It's so, so pretty. I love it so much. And it dictated actually the color scheme of the entire area, because I didn't know that it was going to come with these red berries attached to it. So I kind of changed my decoration ideas a little bit to kind of blend all of that in, and I'm so happy with the final result. I hope you guys really like it. I love it so much. And that does it for this video. Thank you so, so much for watching. I truly appreciate every view, every like, every subscriber, every comment. I do not take it for granted. I appreciate you guys' time, and I am so, so grateful for each and every one of you. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a very wonderful and blessed New Year. Bye.